Right now, if you will swipe up, then it will open this content center instead of opening your app drawer. And right now, if you have all your apps on your home screen and you want that app tray, then simply tap and hold on the home screen like this. Click on settings, click on more. Firstly, click on home screen and then select with app drawer. Now it will bring app drawer to your home screen. Now if you will swipe up, then it will open your app drawer like this and disable that content center. It feels really uneasy to reach at the top and open this control center and notification center, but there's a gesture by which you can easily do that. Simply tap and hold on the home screen and then click on settings, click on more. There you will see the option of swipe down on the home screen. Click on this and then select notification set and control center. Now whenever you are on home screen, you can simply swipe down on the empty area, then it will open your notification center and your control center. You can also enable double tap to lock and double tap to wake your screen up feature, so you don't have to press your power button to turn off or turn on your smartphone. To do that, simply open your settings, scroll down and then click on lock screen. There you will see the option of double tap to wake or turn off screen when device is locked. Enable this. Now whenever your screen is locked. Right now, if you will long press the power button, then it will launch the voice assistant application instead of opening your power menu. To open your power menu, you have to press the volume up button and power button at the same time, then it will launch your power menu.